And we did learn about a new brand, Heffelfinger. What's it called?
Halflinger.
Oh, Halflinger.
Linger.
So,
half lingers and the other half doesn't.
If you guys notice, sometimes me with these words, it's just...
And I like to play with my head. I noticed that.
It's the language barrier with me, so...
Dina with the multiple linguistic talent, just Spanglish. And then me, I like to massage my head here, like the head thing.
Hey guys, Dina and Rich here with Journey for Profits, and today
is Sunday.
And usually
2:30 Sunday.
Yeah, and usually Sundays it's like
yeah, it's tough because everything's closed. Salvation Armies are closed. The local thrifts are pretty much closed or closing.
Yeah.
It's 2:30 p.m. But guess what?
We got the itch to thrift, so we're like, no excuses.
Wow, the itch to thrift.
Hashtag itch to thrift.
Wow.
And we are out here.
We're out here. Guess what? Guess who's not open till... Well, they're open till 5 too. We gotta go, right?
Yeah, 5 o'clock.
We gotta go.
We gotta hurry up with
Goodwill.
This video.
Goodwill's open till 5 on Sundays.
We just wanted to show you guys real quick that this wasn't planned. It's Sunday, 2:30. We're like, got the itch to thrift. Let's go. Get in the car, jump in, and we're just going. So we're gonna see where we can find. This isn't planned on finding what. Like
we already hit these thrifts.
Yeah,
so we're really kind of going in there, hoping someone restocked.
Yeah, we're hoping.
We were there. We were there not too long ago, and right, we have 3 Goodwills that we frequent all the time.
Time hit, yeah.
So
and we kind of know when they restock the shelves.
So we're limited to our local one, probably. Mm-hmm. So we got about 2.5 hours to see what we can come up with. Yeah.
Yeah. So, all right, so we're gonna go in there. We're gonna see what we can find, and then we'll be back here to show you guys because we don't want to do the whole B-roll thing. You guys know what a Goodwill looks like, so
if you don't.
I mean,
go
I've probably
inside.
seen many of them on YouTube constantly.
I mean, it's redundant. It's redundant.
We just want to show you quick what we could find. This is what we do. We just want to document it and show you guys, and hopefully help for you guys if you guys are starting out.
Yeah. To
help you guys get started. So that's
if you have questions or you have better solutions for us, because we trip a lot.
Yeah.
Feel free, comment down below, and you know what? That's enough talking.
Yeah.
We
gotta go. Okay.
We gotta go shop.
So stay tuned. We're gonna show you guys what we find.
Keep pushing.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So we are back, and we didn't find much, honestly. And so note to self: Sundays, they
2:30 Sunday hustle.
Is no bueno.
No find something else to do with your business, or leave early.
Yeah, and also they don't stock on Sundays because I found some things that were there the other day. So
agreed.
Sunday's not a good day. Anyway.
Well, Sunday's not a good day for us.
Right.
We'll leave it at that.
So let's go over what
back to drinking beers on Sunday.
Let's go over what we found.
So, with that being said, we found some Adidas.
Nice.
Dina found these. Boom.
Yeah.
I like the mint green looking Adidas thing here.
And it's
the
like fabric.
Soles are good. I have to look these up. I didn't really get a chance to comp them much. How much did we pay for these?
These were $4.97.
Yeah, it's $5, and they're in good shape. They're men's size 10, US 10.
And I know why they were $4 because of the shoelace.
Oh, which is why we got them, which is a good point. We normally avoid. There's a little puncture here, but that's okay. We can disclose it.
The other shoelace, I just want to show you guys quick.
It's butchered. It doesn't have the tips on it.
It's
actually the dog went at it.
Yeah, it looks like it's just chewed off there. But that's okay because we're just gonna go look for
we might go with black ones and just disclose that we got rid of right?
Or if we could find green ones, we're gonna go online and see if we can buy just green laces.
9 times out of 10 that's not worth doing. It's just we don't believe in that. We would have left these.
Yeah.
But for $5,
$5 and they're in good condition.
And they are in good shape, which is weird.
I think we could get like what, 40 for them?
Good size too, size 10. 35. They were Adidas. 35, I think. I like being conservative.
Well, I'm just saying, like, put it up for 40.
I agree. Yeah, we shoot 40. Yeah.
35. So not bad for $4.97. So if you do find a couple of shoes like that with the chewed off shoelaces, don't shy away. You can always get laces anywhere.
We're gonna try it. If it becomes a pain in the ass, we'll let you know.
Yeah.
These Nike Zooms.
We paid
women $6.99. Nike Zoom again, bread and butter, run of the mill. They're very good shape. There's a little small stain here. I think Dina said she can get it off. But boom, bread and butter. 25, 30 bucks, right? We'll put them out there for 30.
What do we pay? Oh, we paid $7.
$7 for them.
Mm-hmm.
So these are starting to come down in price.
They are.
Right?
Yeah, comping low, but
the Nikes are starting to hit that too. They used to sell easy for 30, 35.
Yeah.
But now it's saturation.
I've noticed. Yeah.
But the spring is coming, so maybe some people can start running.
And also, it's not just on eBay that we're putting them on. I'm putting them on the marketplace, Macari.
So this shoe would probably do better
On marketplace.
on marketplace. We'll get $30 for it all day long.
Yeah.
With no fees, which is beautiful. Now what is this, Dina?
I found. I wasn't familiar with the brand. It's called
Halfinger. It's only at the bottom. It's weird. It's not on the.
Yeah.
Halfinger Haflinger.
Yeah.
Hafling. Are you paid up, Mama? $10 for these.
Yeah.
$9.47.
Oh, watch out.
Oops, sorry, I just elbowed the.
How do you spell Haflinger?
Haflinger. Sorry, Haflinger. They're cool, right?
And
Slide-ons? Not really slide-ons. They have the heel in the back, but again, they look like they would be valued. I could be totally wrong. What are they worth?
so this brand what is it?
Haflinger.
They're selling for pre-owned, not the same exact ones, but so far
Oh,
they
yeah.
are slip-on sandals, $63
Cool.
for pre-owned.
Wow, that might be the pick of the day.
Brand new, they're going for $104.
These are good shape. Again, you can tell, guys. You look at these on the rack. They look different. They look cool. They look like they made of good quality. You could just tell.
Yeah.
Check.
That's
and then when you see some weird horse head, Haflinger,
$40,
Haflinger, comment down below if you know what these are. But
just grabbed them and
size 42 is that whole Euro thing that Dina always talks about. Yeah, so for what, 30, 40 bucks? How much you
yeah,
think?
I think like 35, 40 bucks.
Start them at $39.99 and work our way down from there.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Nice.
I have a feeling they're gonna go on the marketplace.
You got a Scotty. You and your damn
I found
dogs.
these little Scotty dog mugs
Fringe.
by Fringe, and I mean they were going for like $10.
Fringe.
So
Look, it says Scotty inside. That's kind of cool.
So $10 they were selling, and I said, you know what? I'm just gonna grab it and try it to throw it on the new store.
Oh, comping for 10?
Yeah.
You pay $2.
Yeah, $2.
$1.99. So 10 plus shipping.
Yeah.
And we were grasping for straws. I was, right.
So,
all I found was the Nikes, right. We put a lot of shoes back. We do that a lot. Found this weird Spalding just sitting in a rack. It just made no sense. It just called me. Spalding, right? So it's a golf ball. It's first golf ball on the moon. This was issued in Feb. There's a date. Feb 6, 1971.
And you paid what, 99 cents?
99 cents. Here's a golf ball. It has a moon guy.
Oh, that's
Right,
cute.
Neil Armstrong striking putting. That's probably not him. Just kidding. Golf ball.
That's nice.
And
oh, it's a moon man golfing.
yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Comping weird. 20s, 30, 40, 50, all over the place. So I'll take a stab in the dark all day long. Speaking of crazy, I topped that, like really crazy. Okay, so this is weird. This is the last thing, by the way.
What?
Stupid Beanie Baby,
Oh, I didn't see that.
right? We don't do Beanie Babies. There's tons and bags of this stuff, right?
But that looks new.
It is new. It's sealed. It's It's I guess it was a toy giveaway at McDonald's at one point. Collect all three. This is a 1996 date introduced June 15th, 1996. Oh, cool! It's Pennsylvania from the Liberty Bell. I just got that.
Funny. That's cool.
What got me was pull this up, guys. Comp this guy.
$1.99 we paid for it.
Google the Liberty. eBay the Liberty. It's Liberty with there's a spin on it. It's Bear. Liberty. The Bear. Pull that up, and you'll see what I see and the reason why I gambled. There's a sold on there for $500, and they scratched it off. No idea. That could be all. I don't know. It could have sold for $5 because it doesn't say. And then it just drops. But I noticed that the date. There's some that sold for $5-10, but it was like dated in 2000. This one was dated in 96. The one that supposedly sold for 500 or less was 1996.
Huh.
But then there was some other BS. Comps are everywhere. For $1.99, I am
That
taking that
worth-
shot all day long.
Worth the chance.
I'm gonna
here.
put them out there for like $5,000. This is gonna pay for my vacation.
This is.
So, $5,000.
He's kidding.
No, but 500. No, I want to look into this and see what I
we're gonna do more
have.
research on it.
Yeah.
But anyway, normally we don't do that. But since it was not, there was nothing there, and we were like, just...
But babe, and I don't mean to cut you off. I'm sorry I did that. But the new store.
What?
We've been using it as an excuse to do crap, to buy crap that we normally don't buy.
Mm-hmm.
So be careful with that. We've strayed away from our discipline of like, if it comps, you buy it. If it doesn't comp, you don't buy it. If you have to ponder, then don't. Because if you're pondering, then that means it's not clear.
Right.
I noticed that with the gadgets and the toys, and we're hiding behind, hey, we're new, we're testing, da-da-da. Be careful with that trap. That's a trap.
That is a trap.
Because then you end up with crap that you donate later.
And you're stuck with it.
And then you donate it.
But, yeah, so that's about it for today, really. I mean, nothing fancy. But it is bread and butter stuff. And we did learn about a new brand, Heffelfinger. What's it called?
Halflinger.
Oh, Halflinger.
Linger.
So,
half lingers and the other half doesn't.
If you guys notice, sometimes me with these words, it's just...
And I like to play with my head. I noticed that.
It's the language barrier with me, so...
Dina with the multiple linguistic talent, just Spanglish. And then me, I like to massage my head here, like the head thing.
Anyhow. But yeah.
Would you go out again?
On another Sunday?
Yeah.
Probably not.
What would you do instead?
I would probably just refresh our store online and
so sourcing would be out. Edit.
No, but yeah, that's what.
But
I
no
would
sourcing,
do, really.
right?
No sourcing, just
same.
Work from home stuff.
You can work on other parts
business.
of your business. It's not just sourcing. I would literally think sourcing is for Monday through Fridays.
Yeah.
Some Saturdays. Saturdays are
Even
weird.
Some Saturdays are weird because it's just
everyone's
so
out.
packed.
All the families are out, and I get it, but it's just
the best thing to do is Monday through Friday. Now, if you're working and
they close at 9, there's no excuse.
Yeah, but also a good thing to do is like on your lunch break, and if you're close to one, go through a quick drive-through to grab a bite, and while you're driving to the Goodwill real quick, you eat and then go in there.
Is that what you do?
That's what I would do.
Is that what you
Seriously.
do?
Like before I was a full-time reseller, that's what I did one time, like from work, and it was literally like 10 minutes from my office job to the Will, which is the one we normally go to over there. And I went one time, and I would just run through like Mickey D's, pound on the fries quick, run inside, and do a quick turnaround.
Jesus.
And that's it.
What a life.
But I didn't really find anything because it was rushed and I was new. But that was back in the day. But anyway, we're rambling.
Yes, but that's okay. No Sundays for me anymore.
Yeah, no
I
more
would rather work on other parts of the business.
Agreed.
Lower prices, run sales, check your sales, send offers.
Right.
Learn a new platform, that stuff.
Stuff like that.
But yeah, your time can be better served if you're trying to grow the business. Don't take the day off. That's slacker city.
Take advantage of your
day. Of your time. Your time is important. But but I'm not saying don't take the day off. I don't care. No excuses.
Take advantage of the day. Like
push, hustle,
even though we can't go out sourcing, like we figure that out, it's best to
wasted time.
Do other things at home, like computer wise for the business. But anyway, yeah, that's
like you don't have sales, go make sales, lower your prices, send some offers, share on Posh.
There's always something to do.
Yeah, absolutely. Go learn something new. Go find a new product online. OA is open 24/7.
Yeah, online arbitrage and all that.
Hey people, we're gone.
That's about it.
We're out of here. I'm gonna go get the rest of my Sunday back.
Yeah, I have to go edit some videos.
Yep.
And if you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe. By subscribing, motivate me, motivate him, motivate us
I'm always motivated.
Together.
I am always motivated to do these wonderful videos.
To make more videos for you
because I love
guys.
seeing my face on the screen.
Anyway, thanks for watching.
Keep pushing.
And keep pushing, you guys.
Bye.
Bye.